Today I'll be doing a short review of a free product offered by Clever Models. And this is the Creeky Roofing Company. As you can see, this is the finished model which I built over the last 2 days, and it comes out looking quite good. In the end, to get this kit you need to go to the Clever Models website and click on the freebies link, and I've also put a link to their website in the description area below. There is this kit. Many other free kits available for download there. If you just have a little bit of a look around, there's plenty of stuff to find, but they often come and go. So if you want this particular kit, you'll need to be quick. Looking over to the left, you can also see on the web page there are many other buildings available for purchase that you can download, and sorts of different types of texture sheets if you're into scratch building. But if you're new to card modeling, I'd suggest you just try the free kits to start with and then just work up from there. See how it goes. So what do you get when you download the kit? Well, you get 3 texture sheets. On those sheets you've got most of what you need to build and complete the building. And also there is a diagram that shows why each of the pieces fit in the big picture. And so what do you need to build these kits? Well, are you going to need the right tools and cardstock to print on the website. If you find the tab that's labeled tips and tricks, you'll be able to see that there's an area to download PDF that has all the information you're going to need to build these kits. So they've got general modeling instructions that give you guidance when building the kits, and it's a generic information that can be used over the whole range of kits that they supply. So looking at the model that I've just built was very enjoyable to build, and there are lots of good things to be said. Now the textures are great, very detailed, and believe just stand back a few feet and you can hardly tell that it's made from paper. And the building itself is well designed. It all fits feeling quite well, and it doesn't leave any open spaces where you can see exposed card or anything like that. There are plenty of extras that also come with the download. You've got extra doors and windows you can print extra parts as needed, and one of the great things with card modeling when you download these kits is basically you've got an unlimited amount of extensions that you can make on the model. Now looking on the other hand, I could see a couple of things that maybe it could be improved upon. Firstly, the instructions leave a lot to be disliked. I know there's the diagram showing the location of all the parts, however it just be great if they had detailed step-by-step instructions for building the model, especially for a beginner modeler. And finally, when putting the shingles on the roof, I found are needed to print some additional sheets so I could fully cover the roof, considering that you can just print more sheets easily. It's not really a problem, but the main downside of printing more sheets was on that shingles page. It's combined with other parts of the building that I didn't need reprint, which just meant using a bit of extra ink, but that's no big deal. So I really enjoyed building this kit. About 6 hours were spent over the last 2 days to build it, and in the end I found I got better results using a thicker cardstock. Just gives a more permanent and stable structure, and it can be knocked or dropped and it doesn't warp or bend. Just takes a little bit more time to build, but I think it's worth taking time to give it a solid base, given that the model looks very good considering the price of the model. Saw by Clever Models compared to other online supplies of cardboard models, they're quite reasonable, and the fact there are no detail instructions shown step-by-step building is substitute abroad the low price per kit when it comes to similar kits from other companies. So this is a free kit from Clever Models, in a great way to get the bug for building paper kits, and it's also a good kit for beginners to build. And for more experienced models, this kit also caters to, given that yet so much extra detail, and there's a lot you can do with the model, and there's a lot